Hey guys, it's Ghillie. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stick around towards the end so you can kind of see what happens with the breaking up the airsoft fight. But if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and take care.
I only run one.
What's in the fanny pack?
This is for people's. It's just easier.
Where are you hiding those goddamn presents, Santa?
Right here.
Where are the elves, Santa?
No.
Why are they crying?
That's just one of them. Huh?
Why are the elves crying, Santa? Do you still hear the cries of the elves?
You have an elf coming.
I know. I'm excited to see you do that. That's so fun.
Oh yeah, wait, let me see.
What's up?
Difference.
Oh yeah.
I wonder if I'll notice. Oh my god.
Yeah, a lot better, right?
That's so much better.
Alright guys, let's get...
Oh, and as a little reminder, everybody look at your guns right now. They're really pretty, they're really cool. Make sure that they are set to semi-auto and not automatic. I have some reports from last time that says that some people were using automatic. This is not automatic fight.
Alright, we gotta break another thing, Bowers. Great, I like it. Hey, come with me. Yeah, I know, you got me.
No, take a knee. Get down. Here, come back. Where's medic? Medic! I don't know where he went. Oh, keep going. No, I shot the red guy.
Is he right there?
Red.
Yeah, but his shot's going this way to hit him.
He's red.
They were all behind this corner.
Oh, I've been waiting for this. Oh boy, I've been waiting for this. What's up?
You got hit like 5 times.
Chill.
No, you didn't.
Chill.
Huh?
Calm down. Hey, it's not this serious. Calm down.
Yeah, nigga, run that shit.
No, calm down.
What?
Just come on.
Yeah, nigga, walk.
Calm down.
You forget something like 15.
Did that go the way you thought it was going to go? Nope.
Point for blue, I think. Do you have a red band on you? What the fuck? Can you swap over to red? Stop.
You deserve that one. You deserve that.
I deserve that one?
Yeah.
Because I'm even in the teams that as we said I was going to do?
Yeah, but why him? Why not him?
That's fucked up.
Because he's one of the picked a survivor. We're very talkative. If he's cool, he's got great stuff on.
Can we just say that if you put in the...
Grenade!
Oh, okay. Well, I guess we'll count that. I'm good.
You want me to go first? You, okay, okay.
I mean, he's got a rifle, might as well. Yeah. Yes. Get that back. Let him go first, man.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, or this elf will come fuck you up.
Dude, there's like 6
Alright,
of
thank
them.
you.